Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the TideQuest Mentoring Workshop. It's very nice to see such a huge gathering of both mentors as well as contestants. And we are very delighted to have some very important speakers today. Dr. Raju Reddy, who has himself been a mentee many years ago and has been mentor to a number of companies, so he understands both this. In fact, he was mentor to chair of TideQuest, Harun Mirza, when Harun was setting up his own company, which was ultimately very successfully sold to Intel. And so he worked with Harun for nearly 4 years as a mentor. So very privileged that he has traveled all the way from Silicon Valley to come and tell us the important role of mentor and mentee and how to take full advantage of this very pristine relationship. We also have a few of the judges of the competition here today. These judges have reviewed your plans and they will be reviewing your submissions as we go through the stage. So it's my pleasure to welcome all of you. TideQuest Mentoring Workshop is a very important day in our calendar. On this day we do a 2 parallel workshop, one here in Toronto, where we bring in all contestants who have applied to our Toronto competition, as well as simultaneously we're doing a workshop in Cleveland, where many of our US contestants have applied and they are parallelly competing in the same competition, and ultimately both sides will come together in April and we will have one winner out of both the competitions which are running parallel. The purpose of TideQuest is to connect entrepreneurs with mentors, because we believe mentoring process improves your ventures substantially. It totally, in many cases you've seen the concepts undergo a substantial change. Judges have time and again confirmed that the quality of submissions of the contestants improve. So today is the start of that process where contestants will meet their mentors. Because of this process, we started about 8 years ago, and every year we have seen working relationship develop between mentors and mentees, and that is the reason we are very proud of over 25 success stories who have achieved raised financing, acquired customers, have grown their business very successfully. We're very proud of some of our very successful exits over the last few years who have gone through this process, and we believe that many of your teams will ultimately be successful and would establish very profitable enterprise. This year in the competition we received 155 entries from 223 contestants. This is in Toronto. In addition, we received 36 entries in Cleveland from 54 contestants. So roughly about 275 contestants from both these places. A very healthy competition in that respect. Our contestants come from 41 different municipalities. So our wings have been spreading. They come from 16 different states or provinces. We are very happy to see the contestants from all over Canada. But in addition, here in the competition, we have some contestants from California. So our keynote speaker is not the only person who's come from California today. We also have contestants from New York, New Jersey, Ohio, Illinois, Delaware, Virginia, Florida, besides California. So very warm welcome to all the contestants who have come specifically from out of the country. Toronto is a center of innovation for a number of diversified industries. So that's reflected very much in our own competition. We get contestants from a wide variety of industries, including, this is not one of the contestants. So we do see companies coming in information and communication technology. In fact, that area was a little bit more than normal. Last year we had about 33% of the contestants in that industry. This year it has gone up to about 41%. partially thanks to the extra effort our chair of TimeQuest this year did, because he himself is from ICT industry, so he was probably able to convince and many more contestants from that area. Healthcare continues to be our second important area. We have 21% of the teams in healthcare, and it's significant. It's roughly the same as in last year. Other two important areas where we have got contestants are in clean tech as well as in lifestyle. Those two areas are growing very, very well. If you browse through just the names of the product, there's a dizzying array of projects. So there's a huge, huge variety. People are going to manufacture electric vehicle on one hand, or trying to recycle almost everything possible, then to nanomaterials, or to diagnosing diseases which I can't even pronounce. There are so many different types of biomedical materials or medical devices. Within ICT, of course, we see companies in cloud computing, we see on social, especially social gaming. We have a number of companies within the e-learning space. That area is becoming very hot. Also, there are mobile marketplace related companies or affiliate marketplace who can do things better than what Groupon is able to achieve. So it's a very interesting area of companies. Competition is going to be very intense because we have 27 PhDs competing this year. There are 28 MBAs who are competing in the competition. About 23 engineers. We also have 8 medical doctors. Then we have 2 lawyers, 3 chartered accountants, and a number of other professionals. So it is intense. It has been intense, and it is even more intense this year. So welcome to the competition, and I wish all the contestants very, very well in the next few stages of the competition. Well, and especially welcome to the mentors, because mentoring is an important differentiator for us. We have a registration of about 40 mentors. There are 58 teams in the competition here in Toronto, and 36 teams in the competition in Cleveland. We have 40 mentors already registered. We are still working on to get additional mentors, which we are every day we're making phone calls among qualified people. And many of the 40 mentors are present here today. Abraham Lincoln once said that if I have 8 hours to cut a tree, I'll spend 6 hours sharpening my axe. Preparation is the key. And that's the reason we focus so much on mentoring. We want each of you to work on your submissions, but before you present, discuss these submissions with your mentors. Use all your power to exploit and explore what is possible. Our mentors are really hardworking, and they support. They open their Rolodex to you. They provide you leads and contacts, but you will have to get it. You have to work hard to achieve that. So really, Dr. Raju Reddy will tell us more about this specific relationship, because he has done it and done it all the time. So we're looking forward to that. Well, I will be failing in my duty if I don't thank the efforts made by our judges in the competition. They not only review your projects and they criticize and give you comments, and many of you have received the comments from the submissions you have done so far. But judges also play a very important role for us in this competition. Of the 25 success stories we have, a good number of them actually obtained financing from people who were present as judges in the competition. It has been always our effort to bring in angel investors, venture capitalists, fund managers to act as judges in the competition. And many of them like the project so much they end up doing the financing. They also participate and give you a due diligence opportunity in their respective firms, which is very important and critical and helps in improving the success of the project. Another group which is very critical to the success of the competition is our sponsors. One of the reasons we have been consistently attracting a large number of participants in the competition is an attractive prize package, we have $150,000 worth of prize package, and that is possible only because of the generosity of our sponsors. We are very grateful for them to continue. Part of the prize package is in kind, where our sponsors provide legal services, accounting services, conference facilities, market intelligence services, even travel assistant and others to help support entrepreneurial activity. The organization of the competition is a mammoth effort, and it's a teamwork, and I have to thank my board who has been working with me, and specifically our chair of the competition, Harun Mirza, who has worked many hours. I was away for some personal reasons, and Harun filled up that role very effectively, and thank you, Harun, for doing that. And he's done a wonderful job in taking the competition, and I'm sure he will continue to work very hard. I have some of the members of our TiE Toronto board, and I'll request them to stand so that all of you can recognize them and reach out to them if there is a need. Mr. Mukesh Gupta, Vice President and Chair of TiE Institute. Puneet Girdhar, he's the chair of our mentoring. And we do have, I'm missing some of the members, Manish Mehta, Sachin Mahajan, Meena Gupta, Greg Brown, Peter Matudat, John Sololinka, and of course Harun Mirza, who's the chair of TiEQuest. There are two other gentlemen who have worked very hard in supporting TiEQuest this year. Is Lalit Uglani, Program Director of TiE Institute. In fact, 21% of all contestants this year are these participants of TiE Institute. And I can tell you that these guys are way better prepared. So watch out, because they have attended educational workshops on entrepreneurship for nearly 20 weeks now, and so they know the presentation much better, and they are being given special coaching by TiE Institute. Also, Carl Miranda, who has been, and many of you have in touch, have supported, and without his activity, we could not have really done. Just remember, entrepreneurship is not a job; it's a career. It's a state of mind, and it's a state of mind for people who would change the world. So, in the next few weeks and months and years, I would expect many of you to facilitate that. Thank you very much. I have now asked Harun to introduce our keynote speaker for today.